Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in your Best Buy account in a very simple step. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now in the search bar, you can simply search www.bestbuy.com. Now you will be led to this official page of Best Buy account. Now at the top right, you can see the option account. You need to click over there. Here you can see two options, sign in or create account. We will go for the sign in option. Now here you need to fill down a credential, that is your email address. Likewise, you need to write down your password. In case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forget your password option and they will guide you for the further steps to recover your account back. In case if you are done fulfilling your credential, you can simply click on sign in and you will be signed into your Best Buy account. You can simply get login from your Apple or your Gmail account too. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.